Hi guys, right now andito tayo ngayon sa Phetchaburi, Thailand, and ganito lang naman kaganda yung view natin ngayon. And I will be sharing with you our bike touring setup for our Southeast Asia bike touring. Okay, so let's start of course with our bike. I'm using my Kona unit. Ayan, so kung makikita ninyo, this is the same bike that I'm using for quite a while now for my Philippine tour, Philippine bike tour, and Philippine loop na ginagawa natin. So this is the same bike that I will be using. So wala na akong binago dito except for the rack. I don't know if you can see the rack behind here. I'm using two-peak rack. Ayan, so mas matibay na siya compared sa mga rack na ginagamit natin since nagbago nga tayo ng setup, because I will be using 2 pannier bags which I will be sharing with you later on. Pero bago yan, dito tayo mag-start sa umpisa. Syempre, our helmet, of course. This is from Urge Pro from 12 Bikes. Ayan, so we'll be using the same helmet. And meron akong bagong dinagdag. This is something new for me. So let me just share with you real quick. So I'm using this one. Since sobrang init ngayon sa Thailand and I'm cycling in a very, very extreme temperature like 35, 36, 37 and the humidity feels like 40, 41, 42. Sobrang init talaga since April ngayon. So I have this one from Decathlon. Ayan. And I'll just show you kung paano siya. So, you just have to cover yourself. And, ayan. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. Kaya naman, kahit pa paano, kinakaya kong mag-bike sa initan while using this one. Ayan. Ayan. So, ito yung gamit-gamit natin ngayon dito sa Thailand. First time ko lang din gumamit nito. Ayan. And, let's go for the bags. Ayan. So, ang dami nagtatanong sa akin kung ano ba yung mga bags na ginagamit natin. Siyempre, let's start first with my handlebar bag. I like this handlebar bag from Cornerstone because it is X-Pack. It means it's waterproof. And what I like about this one, saktong-sakto siya sa handlebar bag ko. Not so big but not so small. It can fit all the things I need inside here. And as you can see, there's like a mesh here for my extra things. And then meron siya ditong mga ganito where I can put my sandals or dried clothes or something else na hindi kailangan na mailagay sa loob or something na madumi. And may mga side pocket siya na pwede kong ilagay yung mga something. And after that, yes, so this is from Cornerstone. So after that, meron akong dalawang feed bag dito. 2 feed bags also from Cornerstone. Ayan, this is very helpful for me. So, dito ko nilalagay yung ginagamit kong action camera when I take videos. And of course, cellphone ko din na ginagamit ko pang video. So, dito siya nakalagay. And then the other one, ang nakalagay dito is yan. Yan yung aking, syempre, yung salamin natin. Ayan, detachable. Kasi may grado yung mata ko. So, nagdalagay lang ako nito for as a sunglasses and also protection na din natin. And aside from that, meron din tayo, isa to sa mga pinaka-importante ko talaga na dinadala guys. So meron tayong electric fan from Jisoo Life. I have 2 actually. So this one when I go cycling and this one naman kapag nakahinto tayo. Ito talaga yung pinaka-importante kong dinadala dito for my Southeast Asia tour since summer nga ngayon, super init. And this one, I mean, this is not sponsored but I really like the Jisoo Life kasi tumatagal siya ng 8 hours or more. Magdamag siya. Wait lang. Tumatagal siya ng magdamag sa akin pag natutulog ako since nagka-camping style nga lang tayo. Ayan. Wait lang, ilagay lang natin ulit dito. So, dalawa para at least meron tayong pang morning, meron din ako pang evening na electric fan. Since pag nagka-camping tayo, sometimes kahit magabi na, super init pa din. Like sometimes even if it's nighttime, the temperature is like 30 degrees. Okay. Ayan, next. Ay, of course, yan. So dito na tayo. I have this middle bag right here. This is my cook set bag. Also from cornerstone. So, dito nakalagay yung mga cooking set natin sa gitna. I will be doing a separate video of all the things na binitbit ko, all my gears, and all the things na binitbit ko dito sa Southeast Asia tour natin. Pero, yeah, dito nakalagay lahat ng mga sleeping, cook set. Ayan, and meron yung zipper sa gilid para if I need to get something, I'll just open it up to get it. Ayan, so meron din siyang ganito, meron din siyang sling bag. So, if aalis ako, I can just bring it. Hindi ako mahihirapan. And also, I have this one. This is my favorite bag of all. Because as you can see, this is very big, but it's actually a belt bag. What I like about this one, ang dami ko nalalagay. Ayan, so ganyan lang siya. Yeah. So, for this one, ayan, super dami ko nalalagay dito. I can put bottled water here and also here. Ayan, and then super spacious niyan. Dami ko talagang nalalagay dito. Dito nakalagay yung mga hygiene ko. Of course, ang ating mga wipes, ayan, for emergency, passport, IDs, alcohol, sunscreen, and so many more. Sobrang dami. Hygiene, syempre pangmukha natin, ganyan. So, I use it like this. So, ganyan siya pag sinusuot ko. Tapos may mga side pockets din siya dito na pwede kong lagyan ng mga barya if I need to buy something. Yon. And of course, our new 2 pannier bags, 20 liters each. So, this one is 20 liters. The other one is also 20 liters. So, this is from Ortlieb. Okay, Germany. So, made in Germany. And what I like about these bags, it has 5 years warranty. Ayan. So, isa din sa napansin ko sa mga nag-world cycling, world bike touring, they're using Ortlieb bags since this one is really like a good quality bags na talaga namang worth it talaga siya bilhin. Worth it siya pag-investan dahil as in talagang tatagal naman talaga siya sa'yo. And for me na matagal na rin nagbabike, touring, bike packing, I think it's a good investment for me to buy a good quality bags. Although it's a really cheap, pero I mean, I think it's worth it. So dito sa bag na to, for this bag, dito nakalagay yung aking mga damit. Ayan, so nakalagay dito yung mga damit ko, hygiene ko, and my supply kit. Dito din nakalagay yung medicine kit ko. Ayan, so lahat ng mga clothes ko, lahat nandito sila lahat. And then for the other side, dito naman, dito nakalagay yung ating mga, dito nakalagay yung ating mga sleeping gears. I have here my tent, tarp, what else? Yung mga pillow ko, pillows, and some other things na mga kailangan ko din. And yung iba ko ding mga cook set, nandito din sila lahat. Yan, lahat ng yan, nandito siya lahat. For my sleeping gear, para if I need to set up my tent and everything, ito lang yung tatanggalin ko. If I need to take a shower, wash my clothes, I'll gonna get the other one. So, yeah. So, ito yung pinaka-setup natin for our Southeast Asia bike touring na ginagawa. And what else? Of course, sa gitna, wala tayong frame bag dito. I don't put a frame bag here since I have a very small space dito sa gitna. So, it can only fit a 1 bottled water. So, ito yung bottled water na bitbit natin. So, this is Aqua Flask. Since, actually, for Southeast Asia, nagbago ako ng routine. So, dati, I always have the ice here and then another water for not cold, pero I put here ice. But this time for Southeast Asia, it's not advisable to drink cold water from time to time. So I keep my water warm all the time. So that's the thing. Very important na hindi ka uminom ng super lamig na tubig kapag nandito ka sa Thailand or like here, since I will be doing this trip for 2 months here in Thailand and probably 1 month in Laos and 1 month in Vietnam and some other countries dito sa Southeast Asia. And let's see, ito pala yung setup ng tent natin. I'll be showing with you. So this is my tent. This is from Nature Hike. Ayan. So as you can see, can be good for beach. If I will take out this one, if I will remove this one, pwede siya dito ngayon sa beach, which I will be doing later on. Ayan. So pwede mo siyang tanggalin. And I changed my tent because I want to make it spacious as well. Ayan, gusto ko siyang spacious para at least yung mga gamit ko, mga bags natin, lahat yan nakapasok sa loob. And yeah, we have this mat as well. And yun, and syempre, my favorite! Ayan! Syempre, hindi ko iniwan, my favorite hammock of all. So, this is from D-Works. Yan. So, galing to sa D-Works. Isa to sa matagal ko nang ginagamit. I think I'm using this hammock for like 3 years now. And I always sleep on this hammock. I really prefer sleeping sa hammock talaga almost every day. And what I like about this hammock is that I can close it. Ayan. I can sleep here, put myself here. Ayan. And yeah. And totally close myself. Like this. Yeah. Kung gusto niyo akong supportahan, pwede kayong bumili ng ating mga pabango na binebenta. You can PM me. And yun, as support para dito sa ginagawa natin. And also share this video as well. Yeah, for this our Southeast Asia tour. And right now, I'm going to sleep kasi super sarap lang naman ang hangin dito. Kaya, yeah. Bye-bye!